you, stay with you. Special in my book, get my point of view. We couldn't do like I could. You got what you wanted and flaunted what you wanted, and I went a little farther even when you didn't want it. Cause right in time, right what I had in mind. Plus your hands fit right in my soul. I took the time, my choice was to love you. I didn't listen when they said never should I trust you. So why must you take me for granted? I swore you love me too, damn, I'll never understand it. I'm a man with feelings too, and I'm a fool for the way I still feel for you. But here's to you, I'm a better man than that. You took my heart then and now I want it back. So come on.
Told me you were mine together someday. Now I'm staying in a whole new world now. I ain't gonna lie, girl, you need to realize I'm staying home tonight.
So come on.
I'm gonna be alone all by myself. And I'm staying home. I don't need no one.
Give you one more chance, you gave me the same old song, same old dance, so hell with it. I had to face that shit, you was too immature for relationships, so I moved on for the time being. Then I heard a lie as a guy you were caught seeing. I flip shit, but you flick back, you cried. You knew I wouldn't do you like that, still my heart was lonely. Nobody to hold me, you was my only kid, girl, you was my homie. You know it, you said you was stuck back then, so when I tried to leave, you just sucked me right back in. But what would I taste what I already ate? So I took time to get my priorities straight. So listen, you know me well, I hate to doubt you, girl. Truth is I'm better off without you.
Told me you were mine together someday. Now I'm staying in a whole new world now. I ain't gonna lie, girl, you need to realize I'm staying home tonight. So wanna be alone, wanna be alone all by myself. And I'm staying home.
I thought it never would end, but this is it, that's all. Never again, I couldn't deal with it then, and I sure can now. So don't let you think I'ma let you hold me down. No, I told you before, never the wrong, but this is real when I say leave me alone. I gotta be on my own. If you do too, through and through, just please let me do what I do. Maybe sometime soon we can both be friends, but for now this is where it's supposed to end. My brain is sick, my heart is torn, my arms are empty, but baby girl, I just need to be alone. Heart will be alone, and I keep my head up. But for now, truth is I'm a little fed up. I don't hate you though, you still close to me. So let's just go back to how we used to be.
Oh, nice.